Welcome to the outside world. Finally, ano pakiramdam? Nasa labas ka na ng bahay ni Kuya.
Grabe, I'm overwhelmed with so much emotions. Honestly, hindi pa ako nakakapag-adjust fully. I mean, I have to get in touch with the outside world and I know it'll take some time, pero I'm very, very excited. I'm so glad to be back. I can't wait to see what's in store and ayun, above all, I'm just really, really excited.
I understand you stay inside the house and enjoy quiet sometimes. So, what was your initial reaction going back to your own home and experiencing your room again?
Yes.
Parang wala ng cameras and all.
Yes. Honestly, when I was inside PBB, nakakalimutan na rin kasi talaga namin yung cameras and the lapel. As in, sometimes we really forget that it's a show. So, para sa akin, wala namang big adjustments except for the fact na sobrang namimiss ko lang talaga si Kuya and, you know, waking up to the other housemates and being able to say goodnight to them. So, above all, yun lang talaga.
And also, on social media, in person, you can see that there's a lot of supporters. Para sa'yo, bilang housemate ni Kuya, anong reaction mo to that? So, ang dami siyang supporters.
Sa totoo lang, I really didn't expect na ganun po yung magiging tagos ko sa outside world. Inside, I really thought na wala nagmamahal sa akin. Akala ko completely sa labas. Madjudge ako ng sobra-sobra. But when I came out, to see na marami pong nagmamahal at nagsusuporta, nakakataba po talaga ng puso. Nakakawala ng pagod, especially after being inside the house for more than 100 days. Grabe. Nakakawala ng pagod.
Kanina, niyakap po si Mama Bear and you said it healed you. Sorry, I overheard that. So, can you expound more on that? Paano ka na-heal ng ibig? Ng Pinoy Big Words?
Yes, I mean, lagi ko pong sinasabi na malaki po talaga yung utang na loob ko kay Kuya sa PBB because before coming in, I was really lost and I was really broken. And during my whole journey naman talaga, I really admit na hindi po ako perfect and yung housemates ko and yung taong bayan, naging parte po talaga sila sa journey ng paghahanap sa sarili ko. So, I can't say na ngayon, perfect ako, but as what Cyril always says, I'm healing. And that's something that I'm very, very proud of and I'll forever eternally be grateful for.
And also, alam naman nating lahat, no, inside the house of Kuya, nagkaroon ka ng mga connections and one really good connection na talagang minahal din ng taong bayan is with Dustin. So, can you give us more about that? Kamusta na kayo ngayon outside the house? Nag-uusap pa rin ba? Still the same?
Dustin and I were, parang wala naman nagbago. The connection is still there, pero it's like, bumalik lang talaga kami sa day one. It's like we're really getting to know each other again. So it's a very refreshing feeling. Lagi ko nga sinasabi sa kanya na parang ang sarap sa feeling na makilala siya ulit. We're happy. Like, ganun pa rin. Mag-duo pa rin outside.
Okay. Well, what do you mean mag-duo pa rin outside?
Mag-duo. Lang kami. Like, we're there for each other. I mean,
Okay.
Yung laban naman, hindi naman siya nagtatapos sa loob ng bahay. Siyempre, we have a lot to face outside. I mean, we can't deny the fact rin naman na we can't please everybody. And I feel like out of all the people inside the house, siya yung pinaka-makakaintindi sa akin now that we're in this next chapter of our lives, of our career. So, it's nice to have someone to lean on up until the outside world.
And also, did you expect, to have a connection inside the house? Na-expect ko ba na you're gonna find, I don't know what you call it. Do you call it love, friendship, or ganun sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya with Dustin?
Honestly, it really wasn't part of the plan. Kasi it really wasn't part of the plan. In fact, I was trying to avoid it. Pero, wala nangyari yung nangyari. And I think the best we can do right now is to maintain the friendship that we built inside the house. Panindigan yun. So,
And also, of course, ang dami na rin fans, no? So, how do you feel about, ang dami nag-ship sa inyo? Nasa loob pa lang kayo ng bahay ni Kuya, paglabas ng bahay ni Kuya, ang dami nag-ship dun sa love team nyo, which is yung Dust Bia.
yes.
Dust Bia.
Uh-huh. Honestly, nagulat po kaming dalawa because inside the house, hindi naman po talaga love team yung motive namin. So, whatever you guys saw, it wasn't meant to happen and hindi po talaga siya planado. So, ayun, nagulat po kami pareho na marami palang nagmamahal sa storya namin. Yes.
Were you able to read the comments about you guys? Sobrang daming kilig and
Not all. Ang nababasa ko pa lang so far are the good ones, the good comments about us. But I know there's definitely a bad side to it. Again, we can't please everybody. But when I do take time to read it, I'll try my best na I'll try my best not to get affected by it kasi alam naman po namin dalawa kung ano yung totoo sa hindi.
and also you're gonna be working together. Ngayong paglabas, meron na ba mga plano? may pwede ba tayong ibigay na clue sa ating mga fans?
I can't answer that pa right now. Pero we're both excited to see what's in store for us.
Okay, one last question. What was the biggest lesson you've
Oh
learned
my
inside the
God.
house?
Madami.
Na for sure dadalhin mo ngayon.
Madami. I'll keep it short, but I guess that I really learned how to love all of my strengths just as much as I loved all of my weaknesses. Natutunan kong mahalin talaga yung sarili ko at natutunan kong i-acknowledge na okay lang maging mahina because acknowledging that doesn't necessarily make you weak but makes you stronger as a person. So, isa yun.
It's very well said. Sorry. Ang dami pang, may mga few days pa sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. I don't know, weeks pa. Pero may mga housemates pa sa loob ng bahay. I don't mean to put you on the spot. Pero sa tingin mo lang, sino ang deserve naman na big winner? Bilang nasa labas ka na rin.
Grabe, di ko alam kung biased ako sa sagot ko na to or hindi. Pero kung nasan si Mika, nandun ang big winner ko.
Okay. Thank you so much.